Hi everyone, welcome back. We continue to learn these image processing operations of the CV-CUDA library, CV-CUDA framework, and we continue on these operators. And lastly, we learned about the resize and the Gaussian. Today we are gonna check this MedianBlur. Actually, the usage are very simple, but the purpose of these videos are just learning the operations and basically comparing both GPU and the CPU time inference. So it's important still. um, this is the code from the previous video. I always suggest, if you directly watch this video, I will suggest you at least to watch the first videos. So this is the Gaussian. I just copied the Gaussian CPP which we already used in the previous video, and this is the new one. So we are gonna just modify this MedianBlur CPP to be able to run the median operation. Okay. um, Also, I have again the code which is MedianBlur code in the C++ with CPU. This is basically just using the OpenCV kernel and without GPU support. And here also we are gonna compare the time between the CPU and the GPU again. Okay, so first of all, let's change the include header, which is the new include is gonna be the operation MedianBlur HPP instead of Gaussian. Okay, this is the first one, and the other one is gonna be, these things are gonna be always same. So because we are preparing our input data for GPU, and we are getting at the end the result again in the tensor kind of shape. So for Gaussian, of course, the parameters are gonna change. So new constructor is gonna be the MedianBlur, which is in here. Also, as you see, it's only taking maximum shape batch size, which is similar to the Gaussian. So all we need to do is just changing this constructor, and we can make here median operator. Okay, and just copy this. So since we don't need this kernel size similar to the Gaussian, so we can remove it, and the batch number only stay here. Kernel size can stay, and sigma we don't need for MedianBlur. And iteration, of course, the Gaussian operation changing with median, and we don't need sigma and border enumeration. All we need to do is just CUDA stream, input tensor, output tensor, and kernel size, and that's all. And this is gonna give us the median output. And here what we are doing, we are just measuring the operation time in the GPU side. This is not very accurate, I need to tell again, because we are not we need to measure it by GPU kernel time, but even is not really accurate, is not really bad also this time measuring. So anyway, just run it with this one we are running currently, which we already checked in the previous videos, and we need to change the CPP with MedianBlur, which is our new CPP. I think I also saved it, and let's run it. Okay, it's done, and let's make it output. Okay, so you see, you can understand also the edges are smoothed. You see, also corrupted we can call it. Yeah, this is already smoothed well, and this operation takes 2.3 seconds only, the operation. If we go to the C++ CPU side, here we are also iterating 10 times with the same kernel size, and here if we run it, see how it looks like. It takes 800 milliseconds. So for median operation, this is a huge difference comparing to Gaussian. In Gaussian, the ratio was a bit lower than the 400 times. So there's a huge difference here. Again, I want to include the overhead time, which is all the time passing through. So all we need to do is just taking these two things. I just want to see if it is still better than the CPU or not, because now we added the overhead time also, which is transferring time. Yeah, and here it is still okay, 1,200 milliseconds. So now it's higher than the CPU time, which is expected, but very close. So I just want to see if it is 100 iteration, how it's gonna happen. So this is 100, and okay, now it takes around 8 seconds, and let's see the same 100 in the GPU kernel side and see how it's gonna give the result. It was 8 seconds, and here you see it is 2 seconds. In here you can think like, okay, there's an overhead time, but in the operation case it's really faster, so it's now passing the CPU even with the overhead. So in this case, for median operation, if you gonna talk, you can call it, okay, if I need median operation, if it's a heavy one, even the overhead included, median working faster in the GPU kernel side, so it can be better to use this operation in the GPU by even taking the disadvantage of the overhead. Yeah, so in this video basically we just check this MedianBlur operation in the CV-CUDA library, and thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.